First, we need to find a size that will fit. How to use the Artasjewelers Lock Jewelry Applicator tool. Before I get started, here are the colors that these tools come in. Alright, so here we go. We have the tool. It is flimsy. We have the lock jewelry. We have the size that it may possibly fit on. Alright, so we're going to put the piece on first. And we're going to slide that in here. The piece that you want at the bottom of your lock, make sure it's towards the stick. Then we're going to take our lock and feed it through the loop, okay? Like so. Bring it up. Loop it. You're just gonna put them together like that, okay? And get kind of close towards the end, not to where it's brittle. We're just gonna slide this up. Okay, when you get towards the end, then go ahead and use your fingers. Take this tool, do not pull it outwards, but lift up and pull it out. God! Wow! Do you love to shop on Etsy? Well, make sure you stop by and visit my Etsy shop at artasjewelers.etsy.com. That's ARTAS Jewelers, JEWELERS. And make sure you favorite my store. No, I didn't forget. Of course, if you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like us. Make sure you tag us. Make sure you comment on our post. Make sure you follow us on Instagram. Make sure you follow us on Facebook and TikTok. Make sure after you purchase from me and you receive your packaging, make sure you leave me a review. Okay? And don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms. Okay? Keep me encouraged, and I would make sure I keep you encouraged and bring you the content that you need.